Hello, in this episode of the Docker course of Code Maven, we are going to check out the first command in Docker basically to see the version number of Docker and some information about Docker. Normally, as usual, the slides are here and we get to the slide that you can copy paste the commands from. But this time I'm going to show you also on my command line. So here you can see that if you type in docker minus minus version in your terminal, that you're supposed to get the output of Docker. So in Windows you would probably open the CMD, so you click on the Windows key and then you type in CMD, and that's how you get into the Windows terminal command prompt. I'll just get back the one slide here. So that this is, you type in the wrong command to type in CMD, and that's how you open it. On Linux, you open a terminal. On Mac, you also open a terminal, just as I have it here. I have it open a terminal, and in there you can type in docker minus minus version. And if you type it correctly, as sometimes I do, then you will see the current version number of Docker, and that indicates that Docker is available to you on this system now. So that's the one thing that you can do. Then you can get some more information by typing in Docker version without the two dashes. So in the previous one we had two dashes. So this time I'm switching back to the window, to the terminal. I'm removing the two dashes, and now it gives me the details of the currently installed Docker. It shows more kind of information about my operating system and so on. And then the last one here that I wanted to show is the next slide, which you can also, so here you can just see on the slide whatever I got when I created the slide last time. And the last command in this case is showing information, so it's even more system-wide information you can get. Again, I didn't even have them on the slide. You can type in docker and info, and then it will just show you a lot more details on your machine that probably you don't need, or hopefully you don't need. But if there are some issues, some bugs, some deep problems, then looking at these details will be able to will help you to find out maybe what can be the problem in this specific case. I haven't encountered any reason so far to use, especially not Docker info, as far as I remember. So that's it for the general information. Now basically you're ready to start using Docker. We'll have some more slides about getting help and so on, but soon, don't worry, soon we'll get to actually doing something with Docker.